We're gonna start with large brush and beige color. You're gonna make one dot in the middle of left side and one dot in the upper right corner. Then you'll connect those two dots by making a wave, and then you'll paint everything in below this line. Next, you can clean your brush using water and paper towel. Now we'll use the same brush and dark blue paint. We'll make the same wave a little bit above the first one. Now we can skip some space and make another one, and then one more above the second one. Now we can wipe our brush one more time, and this time we're gonna dip our brush in light blue paint, and we're gonna fill in those white spots between dark blue waves. We can switch to a medium-sized brush, and using dark brown paint we'll create a circle or oval. And we can paint it in. Using small brush we'll create a light green circle next to our brown circle. To paint fins, we'll start by adding two lines, and then we'll connect both sides of those lines by creating an arch above it and painting it in. Now we can add a small triangle and then two circles on both sides. After wiping your brush, you can use yellow to make a small circle in the middle of shell and then one large circle on the edges of the shell. Next, we will connect large circle and small circle by adding straight lines between them. After wiping your brush, you can use red paint to add a starfish in the corner. After washing and wiping your brush, you can add couple ovals in the opposite corner and paint those in. Then we can add two round eyes. Now we'll switch to large brush, we'll dip it in white and we'll do gentle tapping between blue and sand colors to create foam. We'll use small brush and brown paint to create as many small dots as we can on a sand part of our painting. we will use a little bit of black paint to paint black part of an eye. Now using white paint you can highlight each egg by creating a thin line next to the edge. With dark green paint you can create a shadow by outlining one side of each fin, head and tail. And our final step is to sign the artwork.